How to share a screen on TikTok Live. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can share a screen on TikTok Live. So without any delay, let's start with the process and how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you want to share your screen on TikTok Live, these are the process methods you may follow in order to do so. So if you meet the requirement of the TikTok and you want to share your screen while you are on live, these are the you may just head over to the plus icon at the bottom. After going over there, just switch up to live. On the bottom, you'll be finding camera templates option. Just switch up to live. Just swipe right to the live. And before going live, you'll be able to find the mobile gaming live studio and device camera below the go lives option on your live section. So just switch up to mobile gaming, and after that simply hit on go live. And after that you need to give permissions, like it asks you permissions like start screen recording to go live. TikTok needs your screen recording permission to share your screen with viewers to go live. Just tap on continue. After that, confirm it, and after that, start sharing your screen, and your screen will be visible to your viewers as well. So therefore, you may just follow this process in order to share your screen on TikTok Live. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.